A particular specialty of mine is health psychology. And often people ask me, so what is health psychology? Health psychology is really the study of the mind-body connection, which goes it's bi-directional. So we have stress in our life that can increase our blood pressure, compromise our immune system, lead to obesity and weight gain. And then we also study the effects of physical illness on our mental health and well-being. So being diagnosed with cancer or heart disease can lead us to feel anxious or depressed. From a clinical perspective, clinical health psychologists help patients deal with diagnoses, so they help patients navigate their healthcare systems a bit more confidently. They help them learn how to communicate effectively and efficiently with doctors, which is so important because often we don't have very much time to consult with them, or as much time as we'd like. There's also the idea of integrating our illness or our patient experience into our overall sense of self, making sure that we hang on to those parts of ourselves that have always been there even before the diagnosis, and incorporating that into our new experience of a new diagnosis or even a new treatment plan. Another important role that clinical health psychologists can have is to help caregivers support their patients. Being a caregiver, it can be an incredibly daunting and stressful experience, and health psychologists can help caregivers feel supported and cope with all the distress that comes with that role. In addition to helping patients cope with specific diagnoses, health psychologists can also help people who might not necessarily be diagnosed with specific illnesses yet manage stress and health behaviors to help reduce the risk for chronic conditions in the long term. How do we access care in terms of seeing a clinical health psychologist? A great first step is to talk to your physician. They often have referrals that they can make for mental health providers specialized in providing care based on your diagnosis or whatever your needs are in terms of health psychology. And then another option is to look on online directories and reading through profiles and seeing what kind of training they have specifically in terms of health psychology and helping clients cope with certain diagnoses or helping clients reach certain health-related goals. If you or a loved one is interested in psychotherapy services, please feel free to call us, email us, or visit our website to learn more.